Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video for you guys, and it's all about setting up my standard TN for 2026. I will be using a mix of Planner Perfect journals as well or as Sterling ink, the Sterling ink, and one compact planner. And yeah, depending on the upcoming weeks and year, I might add some other journals in it. I'm not getting the subscription box of Planner Perfect every month. I will maybe use some old journals I still have from Planner Perfect, but maybe also jumping into other traveler's notebook journals in standard size. Yeah, that's the plan so far. And today I just wanted to show you what I did for the January monthly planner setup from Planner Perfect, and I haven't done anything else for my setup. I got the 12 months planner from Planner Perfect. I didn't set up anything besides the tabs. Yeah, that was not a very good job, but I think I like it. It's the first time I'm getting, I did tabs on my monthly or yearly planner, I mean. And yeah, that's pretty good. Easier to jump to the months, and yeah, let's see. So I will do another setup video of this one, I think, but I don't know when. So I just thought I will show you what I did for this monthly planner from Planner Perfect so far, and I also will do another video about my Sterling ink setup. All right, so yeah, I'm all over the place for this setup. I did a mixture of the Planner Perfect January subbox accessories, not too much. I also had a lot of Coco Daisy and Coco Daisy subscription, like the memory cards, the pocket cards or journaling cards. And I have a bunch of Coco Daisy stickers, the journaling setup, journaling kit, the planner kit, and I also had the standard size Coco Daisy TN, which is also like a monthly plan book, but as you can see, I ripped it completely off, and I show you the pages I'm using in this. So yeah, all right, so this is also Coco Daisy, as well as the card. Usually you have your Planner Perfect monthly overview here, but I glued in the Coco Daisy overview because I really love this design for January. It's so pretty, and I also don't know how I'm going to use this one because of the 12 months planner and my Sterling ink monthly. I think I will be using this for like a monthly challenge, like a fitness or yoga challenge or something else. And yeah, that's so far what I think. And yes, then I set up the goal pages. I used something from Journaling Home from 2 years ago. This is also Cocoa Daisy. Then I taped in a page from this Cocoa Daisy TN, and yeah, because I don't start this one before January 1st, because I tried to be to stay in my B6 Slim until the 1st. So yes, so we have then some blank pages. I don't plan in it. I just started to decorate a little bit, took out Cocoa Daisy page. I don't know what I do here. Maybe I put in something else, some inspirational quotes or something like this. This is also a page from Cocoa Daisy. I taped onto it this one from my minimal planner and dashboard in personal size, and this is the first day of January, and yeah, this is how it looks like. It's just a pretty simple setup. I went with the colors of this tip in, which I really love this tip in. Actually, I also do love the shoes, although I never would wear open toe shoes in January, but yes, I really love this. So I think that works great with a sticker from last year and with that washi tape, which is from yeah, I don't know, it's just a no-name brand. And I printed out this poem, and I also put in the sunglasses, and this is from last year, and I took a white pen and wrote 2026 in it, so over it, and I think that works. And then I actually have to say that's it so far. I think I will use the washi tape from Planner Perfect. This is a no-name brand. This is Cocoa Daisy, and this is Planner Perfect. I don't think I will use the flower washi for January, but maybe the planner washi and the planner washi. This is the New Year's washi. I guess I don't know if I will use any more of it than I did in the first pages, but maybe just for the first week. Yeah, so I don't know how I'm going to set up the next weeks of January, but it will be a mixture of Cocoa Daisy and Planner Perfect and maybe other stuff, and the color scheme will be a little bit like this. So the first week is more beige and black, and then yeah, maybe we will change to blue tones, and we will see. So that's my planner setup so far. Don't know if I forgot anything to mention. Yeah, if you have any questions, I would say just ask me and let me know. I try to answer them. And yeah, I have to say I wasn't sure if I could mix Cocoa Daisy, the design and theme of Cocoa Daisy, with this Planner Perfect design, which is actually completely different, or the opposite. But now I must say I feel like it's not a perfect fit, I would say, but I guess, at least in my opinion, it just works. I mean, it's just, I would have been sad if I couldn't have Cocoa Daisy in here, because that was the plan from the beginning, to mix Cocoa Daisy into Planner Perfect, because I usually like the white paper, the paper more like the Cocoa Daisy, and I'm not a fan of the grid all the time. So yes, I'm happy right now. For now, I'm happy how it turned out, but yeah, it's a work in progress, I would say. But maybe if you're also using Planner Perfect or Cocoa Daisy with another 10 or whatever, you maybe feel a little bit inspired by this video. And otherwise, I hope you enjoyed this quick little look into my 2026 setup. And yeah, so this is part 1, and we will do another part, different setups, and also a planner lineup video, hopefully very soon. Thank you for watching, and bye.